Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this device as a monitor for another PC. So in order for this to work, both devices have to be connected to the same network. So first make sure that you can do that, and then open the Start menu on this laptop, go to the Settings, then go to System, scroll all the way down to Optional Features, open this tab, and then you're gonna have to find the wireless display feature in the View Features tab. So search for wireless display here and hit the checkbox and click Next. And once you do that, the wireless display will start downloading. So now let's wait until it downloads and gets installed on your laptop. Okay, and once the feature is added, go back to the System Settings, then scroll down to Project into this PC menu, and now switch this option from Always Off to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network. I usually go with Available Everywhere and just switch this option off afterward. Then if you want to use this PC as a monitor without it being plugged to the power source, then you can switch this option to the left. Now let's switch to another PC, and let me show you what to do there. Now make sure that your other PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and use Windows key shortcut to enable cast feature. Then in available displays, select the CHUWI tablet, and that's it. Now you gotta confirm the action on the CHUWI tablet laptop, excuse me. Okay, so just press OK, and now everything you do and on another PC will be projected to this laptop. Now, as you can see, the streaming quality isn't the perfect one. There are freezes. Maybe let me plug the charging cable in. Okay, so basically you can see the streaming quality for yourself. Let me try to open the web browser on the other laptop. So as you can see, frequent freezing, it's surely not for streaming videos. I'd even say that it's quite bad for streaming presentation, but basically it works. So that's how you do it. Now in order to close the streaming, you can either close this tab on your CHUWI or use Windows key again on your other laptop and select disconnect. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.